means we know the number 2 is equals to 2. Exactly, we know 2 and 2 are equal. 5 equals to 5. Likewise, if I give you an unknown variable x is equals to 5, you have to determine that 5 is called as known value. Known value. 5 means we know what it means by 5. The number of 5. And x also, this is equals to 5. That means x should be also will hold the value as 5. Since these variable and number are same, we can determine that these both are having same values. 5, that is a known quantity. So the unknown value also will have the value as 5. Uh, and you have to know about some kind of brackets. Okay, usually you are using this bracket. This is called as normal bracket, or mostly in mathematical terms we are using parenthesis. Parenthesis. And next one we are using curly brackets. Curly brackets. And one more, this is box or star brackets. Box or star brackets. So in a question, when we are dealing with more than one bracket, you need to introduce more than one bracket. In those cases, you cannot introduce parentheses as both. First, you have to introduce parentheses for the second one. Okay, we will have some examples like that later. So in a question, if there are two, okay, I will use an example to show you that. For an example, here we are having 2x plus 1 minus 4. This is equals to, okay, this total times 3 equals to 15. Total time 3 equals to 15. These are the complex equation we are going to deal in grade 9. In your grade 7 and 8, you have completed how to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division related questions. So we are not going to discuss those questions now. We are only focusing on the complex ones, more than 3 operations likewise. So initially we have used parenthesis. Thereafter, for our next priority, we've used another kind of bracket. So when you use bracket here also, it not looks professional. Likewise, we are using another kind of brackets to specifically indicate this is a different operation than this 2x plus 1 expression. That's what we are going to discuss. So in the first question, x plus 7 is equals to 9. So x would be 9 minus 7. X is equals to 2. And 2 times y, 2 multiplied with y equals to 20. So y equals to 20 divided by 2, it is 10. The third one, both multiplication and division both together. The divide and 2 will become a multiplicand. So 3r equals to 9 times 2, it's 18. If 3r is 18, r could be 18 divided by 3, it should be 6. Next one, 3b equals to, the negative 7 will become a positive 7. So 11 plus 7 is 18. B should be 18 divided by 3. It's 6 again. And I will keep the fifth question. I will explain that later. Now look at the question number 6. In that one, first of all, you can expand or else you can bring that as a divisor. Both are suitable. I will explain by using both methods. You expand first, it will become 2n plus 6, that is equal to 14. Thereafter 2n remains same. 14 minus 6 is 8. So n should be 8 divided by 2, it's 4. You can use this method, or else look at this. The total function is multiplied with 2. So you can bring this total multiplicand as a dividend. So n plus 3, that should be equal to 14 divided by 2. That means 7. So n is 7 minus 3, 4. You can use either first method or second method. Both are correct. Now let's come to the question number 5. Here also you can multiply directly, multiply and expand to do the question. If not, you can directly divide. This is total multiplicand, so that will become a dividend. So 1 minus m, that is equals to 9 divided by 3. That means 3. So 1 minus m equals to 3 means I will bring this, the direction for the number 1 is not negative. The direction for number 1, it should be positive. Before that number, the corresponding direction is there. So it is positive 1. So negative 1, negative m should be equals to m minus 1. Negative m equals to 2. Negative m means negative 1 multiplied with m equals to 2. So m should be equals to 2 divided by negative 1. M is equals to negative 2. This would be the final answer. So initially this would be the expression we are having. 2 times 3, 2x minus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 38. Too many operations. So you have to carefully do them one by one. We will start to do that. Before starting to expand by using this 2, do the operation inside the curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, there are many operations. So try to complete those. 2 remains same. I will expand this bracket. 3 times 2x is 6x minus 3 plus 4. That should be equal to 38. Thereafter 2 remains same. Yeah, sorry, curly bracket. 6x remains same. Negative 3 and positive 4, that will become positive 1. This is equal to 38. Looks very big, but calculation is so simple. And thereafter, you can use any of those methods. Previously I explained, by using both methods, you can expand to do the calculation sometimes. If not, if you are clear with the thing, we are having only one expression. It has a total multiplicand. Okay, it is called as whole multiplicand. The whole multiplicand, that is 2 no. So directly we can bring that whole multiplicand as a bracket means multiplication. Multiplicand as a dividend. So 6x plus 1, that should be equals to 38 divided by 2. Here no need to indicate the curly brackets furthermore, because we just did the operation before the curly bracket has its opposite manner. So the multiplicand 2 became a dividend 2. So no more curly bracket. Then 6x plus 1, that is equals to, I will write the value here. 38 divided by 2, it's 19. So 6x equals to 19. The positive one will become a negative one. So x should be equals to 18 divided by 6, 3. 18 divided by 6, 3. Let's recall the question from the beginning. First, do the operation inside the curly brackets. After that, you are having a whole multiplicand, okay? Coefficient multiplicand. Bring that one as a divide and do the operation. Then do the rest of the operation. If addition means other side subtraction, multiplication became a dividend to do the rest of the questions. Let's have another example as well. Here let's use this one. 5 times 2 into x plus 3 minus 1 equals to 45. Equals to 45. So what you have to do first, let's do the operation inside the brackets. 5 remains same. So 2 times x plus 3. So 2x plus 6 minus 1, that should be equals to 45. 5 times 2x, 6 minus 1, that's 5, equals to 45. Now I'll bring the total multiplicand. Okay, this is total multiplicand will become a dividend. So 2x plus 5, that is equals to 45 divided by 5. It is 9. 2x plus 5 equals to 9. So 2x equals to 9 minus 5. It is 4. So x would be equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Finally, it should be 2. That's all for our answer.